sure everyone can see the screen over here. So there are many AI generating tools that can be used for videos. But we start with Invideo AI. I have used other tools, but I'm not promoting this, but this is something that I think would be easier for anyone who has just a basic idea on what they want to create. So all you have to do is make sure you go to this website, which is nvidia.io, and then make AI video generate. You do have to sign up, but I do have my own account. I try to use my Google account to log in. So all you have to do is sign up if you don't have an account with an email address, or you could just log in like I did. So there's an NVIDIA Studio, which is like for more sophisticated approaches that you can use, like for your intro maker, your clip maker. We'll walk through each one of these. But today we are trying to get like the basic one, right? So we'll just go with the NVIDIA AI. And probably in the next couple of sessions, we can go into more sophisticated tools like the NVIDIA Studio, which would make it more attractive for your audience. Okay. They do have some templates over here. You can see over here is the business video templates, which you can use, the YouTube video templates, the different templates that are there, like an online video editor. There's an online video editor as well. Uh, and there's an intro maker, birthday video maker. We'll go to each one of those in our next class. But before I go into more advanced aspects of this AI generator for videos, let's just start with a simple, basic introduction. Okay. So all you have to do is once you sign up, you will be prompted to go over here to generate video now. Just make sure you click on this. It's going to take a while for your GUI, graphic user interface to show. So as you can see over here, I do have my account linked in, so I was able to do it. I'm using a free version of it, but feel free to upgrade it if you want some features. I'll tell you what are the features that would require premium subscription to it. So the graphical user interface is very simple. That is one of the reasons why I actually went for this one, for people who are just at the beginner level and have no idea on how to use this book. So what you have to do is you have to give them a topic and any detailed instruction that you want to do. So I have a couple of businesses that like this one is basically for small businesses, right? Who are trying to scale their business by creating contents online. How about I'll show you a very generic view, and then I'll show you a more sophisticated view of how you can make your video more sophisticated and more appealing to your audiences. So let's start with the basic one. Like somebody is probably trying to promote a healthy cooking uh, video. So uh, trying to promote this video, letting other people know about his or her business. So give a topic. So create and this one for all the different content. You can give a more detailed description, but let's just use a generic version of this one. So create an advertisement for a healthy cooking company. What you have to do is once you do that, uh, so let's you can go into YouTube Shorts. You can do YouTube Shorts if you want. Uh, Suppose you want to create a short. The shorts are something that like you can use on TikToks as well. You can use one same video that you use in YouTube Shorts. You can use it on TikTok. You can use it on Instagram, and you can use it on Twitter as well. So since I chose YouTube Shorts, create a fast-paced or very fast-paced. So I would say fast-paced because you do want people to get an idea of what's happening. It's very fast-paced, and what would happen is like you're trying to introduce your business to people, right? So you cannot be really fast unless you establish business. In that case, it's okay. But for small businesses, I would suggest go fast paced. Give an interesting short topic. Also add if you need anything specific. Now, let's say create uh, holiday uh, cooking companies advertisement advertisement. Um, do you want any music to it? Like you don't want a beat and energetic. Now, of course, I would suggest this is a cooking company, right? You're trying to promote a healthy lifestyle, right? So energetic. Yeah. Obviously, you want it in English because you're trying to get the demographics of the United States. I would not suggest using any of this right now, but we would definitely go into details where tell you how you can use each of these tools to make your video more appealing to your audiences. And once you have, you can set it all to default, and then you can just click on touch. So once you do that, that shows up over here, create a fast-paced YouTube short. So you could have directly given a prompt, but when you're choosing one of this, like YouTube Shorts, or you can explore the other options, we'll explore all the other options as well. It tells you, like it gives you kind of a rubric which you could fill up, and it kind of gives you an idea, okay, this is what I exactly want to create, right? So once this is done, just click on generate a video. So it's going to analyze it. It's going to take a while. It's going to think. Obviously, yeah, it needs some. So, okay, so then is the audience is now it would ask you who's your target audience, right? Is it somebody who's a health enthusiast, somebody who's a busy professional, somebody who cooks at home, right? And do you want it to feel right or inspirational? Now, what we will try to do is keeping that in mind. We would try to walk through each of these prompts and you would see how each one differs from the other so that you can reach a more wider demographics, right? You just don't have to limit yourself to a health enthusiast or a busy professional. You can have the same prompt, but you can change your demographics like that. You can change your mood, you can change your fear, and you can change your platform as well. Like for TikTok, it would be a slightly different than it's for Instagram Reel, right? So let's just start with the basics one, right? Like for a health enthusiast, and you want it to feel bright, and the platform is YouTube Shorts. Let's do a It's going to take some while and I'll generate it. Maybe I don't just wait for it. So this is like you're saying the analyzing is boost your health without cooking because you're trying to create a like a healthy cooking ad, right? And your target audience is people who are health enthusiasts, right? You're analyzing the voice over here. You're trying to get you the right voice. Uh, over here, usually it would come with watermarks, like when you subscribe for premium services, they would help you get rid of it. Okay. Uh, so it's trying to finalize the media. It's going to take some time to buffer. The scene is ready. The next So I guess like it's already done, right? So YouTube Shorts are usually 1 minute long, so they are usually not giving you a long video, and you're trying to keep it. Okay, now let's see this video. I'm not sure whether you will be able to hear it because I know when you use Zoom to record something, they usually don't let you hear what's happening. But this link would be in the description. Link to this video would be in the description. You can download it. So let me just show you the features. Okay, so you can download it over here. You can edit it later. We'll try to do some editing as well. So let's just watch it. And then if you can't hear it, it's okay. I'll give you a link and you can hear it at your own pace. That's brilliant. Okay, so at least now you have a general framework that you can use. You can definitely download it if you're okay with that, but I would personally suggest it's not okay. Why? Because it does not say anything about your company, right? That's an important feature, right? So what you would see that you can be edit this video. If we cannot edit this video over here, what we will try to do is we can download it and we can use a different platform to edit this video for your particular business. So it is right now at 480 pixel. You can export in HD as well. That would be a great thing to do. Let's go into edit and see what options do they have. So when you still click on edit, let's see. So I start. So you can see over here, you can edit the media, you can edit the script over here. You can edit the music if you want. So when you click on edit the media, so they are giving you different medias over here. So let's look at preview at this one. Cool. Okay. So this one, like, I'm not sure whether you could see it when I click on this one. Now this one is premium, right? You see like uh, a crown. Whenever you see a crown on it, that means it's a paid one. So if you like it, feel free to subscribe because I think like rather than hiring somebody a professional, you can at least use this premium would be a lot cheaper for you uh, than actually hiring a professional. But the ones where you do not see like a crown, those are not premium services. Okay. So let's click on this one. When it's click, no more guessing what's healthy and what's not. That's probably the media team that they're going. Cool. So they have different teams as well. So depending on what your business is, you can use that to decide whether this is something that you would like. This one is no more guessing what's healthy, what's not. So it's trying to tell businesses that, okay, you are trying to focus on dejected healthy, right? So we eat a lot of fast foods like pizza, we eat a lot of burgers and all that, but I am guilty, right? So that is definitely not healthy. So it's trying to promote that. When you click on this one, we do the hard work so you can focus on enjoying your food with step-by-step guides. So you see the difference over here. So this one is slightly different from the previous one, where they're telling you that we will do the hard work. That was the focus was you're trying to guess what's healthy and what's not. That's a different focus. It's trying to educate you on the healthy food. This one has a team that we do the hard work for you so that you can focus on something else and we will show you a step-by-step guide. Let's look into a different team. You'll be a kitchen wizard in no time. So this one tells you a story on how to cook. You see the different teams that are available on there? Now with AI, you don't like if you were individually trying to create a video for each one of them, it would take you pretty long time. Trust me on that. And you have to pay your freelancer or your staff like a monthly salary for that. But now you actually can just generate a lot of videos, and you can see it didn't take me too long to get all those videos, right? So this one is basically like, let's click on this one, just one more time. Plus, some meals are perfect for a diet, vegan, gluten free, and you name it. Okay, so this is a different thing, right? So any diet, like you're trying to target a different demographics within your food as well, like vegan, gluten free. Okay, so you see the different themes that you can get from just one like description that you want to generate a healthy cooking look, right? And you can promote your business in different ways. You can also, so yeah, there are more to it. Like you can see over here, there is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. But there's more to it. So you'll get a plenty of options, right? So, uh, yeah, over here, you can upload the media as well if you want to. So what it would do is like if you probably have a media over here, it like you already now suppose you don't want to use the AI generated video, right? You do have a recorded video of yourself where you have created your ad, but you want to edit the script or you want to edit the music. I do not want to use a template. That is also an option. You can upload, like you can record yourself talking about your business and you can upload the video over here. In that way, it will stick to that media and then you can just focus on editing the script. I hope I made sense of it. Like over here. So this one, as I said, we were targeting like when you were filling that up, like when you fill up the description, you said that you were targeting like health enthusiasts about that. Obviously, that's why boost your health with the cooking. So that's why that's the theme over here. Obviously, it will be different if you're trying to use a different demographics. Like if you're health now, then you need to check this out. Okay, healthy cooking has never been this easy. Media. Person a purpose is preparing a healthy meal in a well-organized kitchen. Person. So now this is the keyword. Now you can add like so this one, like if you're health enough, then you need to check this out. So that is about like the targeting to healthy demographics, right? If you click over here, this is the keyword that is used. And keywords are very important, right? The algorithm works completely on keywords, right? So the keyword over here is health enthusiasts checking out fresh ingredients in a market, excited, health conscious individual browsing through a cook. Okay, so this is the keyword. So you that shows exactly. So now you can use this description on a different platform. Now, if you're not satisfied with Invideo AI and you already have subscription with a different platform that generates AI videos for you can just copy this keywords and use that in your platform to generate the video. I hope I made sense. Let's look into them. Say goodbye to boring salads and say hello to vibrant, flavorful dishes. So here you're trying to get people interested in the quality of your food, right? So let's click on media, this one. So close up of a person savoring a vibrant and flavorful dish with a smile on their face. Now, this is what I wanted to teach you. When you're using AI to choose a dish, but you also need to have a really good concept in your mind. Hey, this is the concept that I want in my mind. So in the previous description where I said general, like that is like I created a general video that I want an advertisement for a healthy cooking class, right? So that was the and my demographics was health enthusiasts, and there was I want to create a YouTube short. So that was a general toolkit. But now, once you create that, I have that framework, you want it to be more sophisticated. You want it to be targeted towards the audience, right? So you can go for close up of a person saving a vibrant and flavorful dish with a smile on their face. And this is what you basically want to do. Then you can obviously edit the music over here. You can use like right wish over here. Uh, this is definitely you do not want. No, like for me, I don't want to include premium music, but if you click on this, it would include a lot of premium music for which you might want to pay price, like you see over here. This is basically that you are willing to pay an extra premium price for that, but if you do not, it will give you some of the free music that would be playing in the background, right? So I'm not sure whether you can hear the music or not. So let's try a different video where we focus on this one. And we probably, oh, okay. So now I have changed it, right? If you see the music, I did change this, this about the changes. So let me just again show you what I did. So this media I do want to change. So you have seen the previous media, right? Now you probably want to go into this one. Cluster means a perfect for any type, vegan, gluten-free, you name it. Now, this is the team media team that you want. Okay, so you selected this one, pick this one. You did want to select, you don't want to select the script, or if you want, you can obviously do that. You want to edit the music over here. You don't want to stick with that particular music. You want this kind of music, okay, which is like fragile lights. You can listen to the music before you select. You can apply the changes and you will see the video is this is music, yeah, changes, we change the music. So we basically change the music. You can change one theme at a time. I guess that's what's happening over here. So I was able to change the music. Cool. And boost your health with a cookie. So this is one. Okay. You recommend to edit this video. Make this chapter half as long as two worthy. Make some karaoke with that. Okay, so let's just do this. Let's general. So this is changing the chapter duration to half of the one. So you're just trying to choose the duration because you probably had a long video and you don't want that. Oh, 47 to 66. And now let's see. Okay. Now this is so the thing is like even if you did edit the videos, you did realize the changes were not applied. One of the reasons what I'm thinking is that this is still in the beta phase, like they're trying to do that. They're trying to upgrade it, so it was not able to replace that video with, with the versions that we want. These are some of the features they are offering you an option, but right now, this was not something that was able to generate. So they were only giving you couple of things that you can edit for now, like you can make this chapter half as long as 40, make subtle things to Komita or make current stock drone shot of a forest. So this is the only changes that they're letting you do at this point. Okay. Even though you did click on edit and you applied those changes, those were not applied like now to your video because maybe most likely video AI is still on that phase where they are trying to incorporate these changes into that. But how about let's go into a script. Okay, so let's go into this one. Healthy cooking has never been this. Click on this one. Like person effortlessly preparing a healthy meal in a well-organized kitchen. Let's copy this. Then let's discard. And let's start with a new video. Now, you can obviously download the video. Once you click to download, it will download it for you. It's a very simple process. But right now, let me show you a new video. So let's go over here. Copy that here, right? Now, let's see another video where it's more descriptive, right? Person effortlessly preparing a healthy meal in a well-organized kitchen. Just one single thing. Let's click on generate video. So you cannot edit the video over there, but you can definitely copy that and you can bring it over here, uh, and it would try to create that. The thing is, probably in future, like this is just a version 2 of it, but probably in future versions, like they would try to upgrade it. In that way, it would be, you can just edit over there. It won't be as much time consuming as you could see it's over here. Right? So suppose now you want to target a busy professional. So you don't want home cooks, you want to target busy professionals like yourself. Uh, you want it to be more inspiration, and you definitely want it for YouTube Shorts. Or on Instagram, let's try Instagram. We have already done YouTube Shorts, let's try this. Now you'll see that, let's see how this video is a little different from the other. I'm also thinking of taking an editing class, like show you how you can edit the video that you download over here, how you can edit it and customize it for your own business as well. Found the music. Trying to share with the video. So, effortless meal, healthy meal prep is a dream. Also, it's trying to analyze the scene, like you already did in prop. So, the previous one, you see the difference between the previous one and this one. The previous one, it was a very generic thing that, okay, you want to create a healthy video, right? Like a healthy cooking ad, but just, right, with nothing more specific about it. But once it got that idea, it is like when you click on edit the video, it's giving you different scripts, it's giving you different themes, it's giving you different music. Now, obviously, in later versions, it would be able to incorporate that, but now you can just copy that and generate a new video for yourself. And let's analyze how this one is slightly different and let's comment on it. So it's going to take some time, like since there's the voice and everything else. So it's adding some music, it's finalizing the media. Because now this one is more descriptive, right? So it's trying to get that scenario right for it. The previous one was a little faster, but it was too generic. So it was just plain real. But still, I would say rather than hiring a professional who might charge you by the hour, and obviously those things would have costed that person a few seconds, at least when you're in a startup phase, you just want your name to be out there so that people can relate to it, but you do not want to invest too much into your business, right? So that is also something that I can do. As finance in the media, over here as 90% is gonna be there. So just there for a few seconds. 5%. You can click on notify event ready. In that way, what would happen is that you can work on something else. In the meantime, you can just come back and like you can just watch the video, or like you can read your book, or you can just do your accounting in the meantime. But it will save you a lot. Yeah. And focus. Let's see. Like I haven't checked exactly what time it was. Hope it's for the date. It's already 1 minute. That's more than. You know what? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's not waste any time because it's already loading. So let's see how this one is different. Okay, you already see it starts up with a different video, right? Because it is not the same one. That was most likely in the marketplace, right? So and this is a minute and 27 seconds because like Instagram can be a little long, right? So this YouTube Shorts is restricted by 1 minute. So let's play this one. So now, if you ask me about this video, yes, it has a different theme where it's focusing on about healthy cooking, right? So because that's the theme that you chose, right? Effortlessly healthy meal prep in a dream kitchen. It is telling you about the company as well, but then again, these are very generic videos which you can create using AI. At least the preparation part is there. In the next class, we can probably learn how you can download it and edit it, customize it for your businesses. Okay. So we can also walk through some examples. We can we can work together in a group. We can have a team in mind, and we can prepare like an introductory video promoting your business, and we can get ideas, feedbacks from each one of you guys because we can give you feedbacks as well, just as a general audience what I like and what I don't like about the video. Like for me, this video, what I did not like is that it wasn't telling me at least anything about my company, right? Which does make sense because I haven't given that in a description. So that is what I should have done. So you have to go trial and error basis because AI is there to make your life easy. It's just like a calculator, right? The calculator in itself cannot do anything, but obviously when you're like giving it the right prompts, like add this with that, then it's able to do it. So you'll have to give it the right prompts, but at least you have a general idea. In the next class, we will learn how you can customize it more efficiently for your particular business. We can have each one of you create a video and share with us, and students in the class can give you an instant feedback that this is what they like about your video, what they do not like about your video, and you can edit it, and then you can come back to me, and we can just share it in a small community and try to see what exactly how we can make sure that when you're promoting your business, everything is right in its place. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. You all have a great rest of the day.